Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to learn how can we install Postman in Mac operating system. Okay, so it will take only 2 to 3 minutes to understand all the steps. So firstly open any search engine. So I have already opened Google. So type here Postman download. Okay, so you will get download Postman. This is the official website of Postman. Click on this. You will get here the Postman app, Mac Apple chip and Mac Intel chip. So if you are using Mac Apple chip like M1, M2, M3 and M4, then you can download this one. If you are using a Mac with Intel chip, okay, then you can download this one. So I'm using M4, which is latest one, so I'm going to download this one. Okay, so it's got downloaded. So let's open. We have downloaded the Postman. So this is a zip file. So double click on this. So we got this Postman. So what we have to do now? So let's drag this Postman to application. So click on command and then drag it to application. Okay, now go to your launchpad and then we are able to see Postman. So this is the easiest way to download the Postman in your Mac operating system. Double click on this, open it. Okay, here you can log in or you can skip. So here you can click continue without an account. Okay, so now click on here open without a lightweight API account. Okay, so this is the Postman. So here we can test any API. Okay, so let's test any dummy API. Okay, so we can get from Google. Let's open it. So click JSON placeholder. Okay, so you'll get the dummy REST API from here. So let's fetch any get API. Okay, so this is the get API. So let's click on this. So let's copy this URL and let's check in our Postman it's working or not. So let's paste here. Okay, click on send. So we are getting the dummy API in get response. So this is the way by which we can download Postman in Mac operating system, and this we have tested in our operating system, so it's working fine. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you're loving my effort, please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.